Hey guys, it's me again. I just finished exploring data WGU. I just wanted to share some things that helped me a lot because this was by far the hardest class I've taken. Like nothing's gotten close. And then you can even see, I can flip it over, but it was, yeah, I squeaked. I barely squeaked by. I felt like I was studying quite a bit. The yeah, the only thing I can recommend honestly is really focusing on the Coursera stuff. And it sucks the instructors don't really talk about there's 2 Coursera classes you should do, yeah, if you want to pass. The second one, it's really not like written clearly anywhere. My mentor sent me an email for getting started information, and she spoke about like, hey, here's what you got to do, use this, and it kind of has like a pacing guide. But yeah, I've been seeing a lot of stuff on Reddit, and I didn't see anything on YouTube for this class at all. But yeah, the big thing is like that second Coursera class, and then knowing your SQL. SQL was huge for this class. It was asking about syntaxes. Yeah, I mean, 36% of the assignment is, or 36% of the assessment is talking about like, you know, your data, like cleaning and organizing and stuff. But it felt like a lot of the assessment was SQL. So without getting myself in trouble, I'm not gonna share any examples, but there's a lot of good resources out there between that stuff I found on Reddit and then stuff that like I made on Quizlet. I highly recommend. There's a WGU D467 Quizlet. I think his name is Devin. He made it. He's a really good person for making that because it helped a lot. And it has like questions that are worded similar on the test, which really prepares you and helps you out with that. And then I just went through the Coursera stuff on Quizlet, and then I would just copy and paste the terms and definitions, and then I would put them into Quizlet. It just automatically does it. You can just like copy everything, paste it into Quizlet as I think it's flashcards or study guide, and it just automatically uploads it. And then I just kept doing the learn and then the test function, and I'd be doing Quizlet while I was listening to the Coursera. I did my initial, I went through the first and second Coursera. I took the PA, and then I passed, but I like kind of barely passed that one as well. And then I talked to my instructor, and he said that like the PA is nothing. Like the PA, like if you know your terms and definitions, you're gonna be fine. And then the OA is very like, how do I say it? It's very like scenario based, yeah, scenario driven. So instead of like, even if you know the terms and the definitions, it won't help you because you need to know like how to use those practically. So like a lot of questions on the OA will ask definition, and then like the OA, it'll use like, it won't give you definition, it'll just be like doing this, what is this? So trying not to get myself in trouble, but I do want to help people because yeah, I mean, this is by far the hardest class I've done at WGU. So, but it feels good finishing it. If I can do it, you can do it. I probably spent, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks or so, like really locked in. And then I spent the last couple days, I didn't do anything else other than just study. So, yeah, those Coursera videos are really where all the meat and potatoes are of everything. And it sucks because it's just a lot of, for me, I like videos, but yeah, I think it says you have to use the resources for, let me see if I can find where it talks about it. So when you go to the exploring data page, it's like really annoying, but you got to go to WG Connect, and then you can go into like, it'll actually like display like the study guide, and then it'll give you the links. But I don't know, it just felt like a really hard class. And then on top of that, they didn't give you all the info you needed. It was very hard to like find out what I needed to use. So shout out to my mentor for giving me all the information, because I would have struggled like pretty hard getting and I already barely passed. So, but all you gotta do is pass. So if I can do it, you can do it. Good luck.